Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. With the weather heating up once again, I thought we could spend some time highlighting another batch of ice cold drinks to cool off with on a hot summer day. So for the next couple of months we will be taking a look at 9 more drink recipes that will surely be a hit at your next summer gathering. For this month we will be doing our third round of Juicy June, where we'll be focusing on 5 different drinks that use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode we will be making some Senku Cola from Dr. Stone. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of honey or agave syrup. Any type should work, but I recommend using darker colored honey, such as wildflower or lavender honey. You will also need 10 grams or so of cilantro leaves, 4 limes worth of zest, and 2 to 4 limes worth of juice, and 1 bottle of sparkling water. And if you wish to make this into a cocktail, you of course can mix this with some rum. And while not completely necessary, I recommend having a muddler or mortar and pestle to help release the flavors from the ingredients better. This will make about 4 to 6 servings of cola, depending on how concentrated you want to make it, so just as needed. First we'll prepare our ingredients, so for your limes, give them a zest, making sure to only get the green part, since the white pith will make this very bitter. Then for your cilantro, chop off the stems and then give the leaves a mince. Then in a mortar or bowl, add in your lime zest and cilantro, and muddle these with a pestle or the back of a spoon to help release the flavorful oils. This will result in a smell that is surprisingly reminiscent of cola. Then juice about half of your limes into the mortar or bowl, saving the rest for later as needed, and give this a mix. Then transfer this to a mason jar and you may optionally let this mixture infuse in the fridge overnight, intensifying the cola flavor profile. Then when you're ready to continue, in a small saucepan add in the honey and a tablespoon of water to help keep it from burning, and heat this on medium heat. Once it starts to bubble, stir this consistently to prevent the honey from burning, but don't stir this too fast since the honey will crystallize if you do. This process might take a little while, so just be patient. But once it starts foaming and the honey begins to caramelize, turn the heat down to low and let this cook for at least 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent the syrup from burning. Keep an eye on the pot since it might quickly bubble over. If it does, just take it off the heat for a few seconds to stop the bubbling and then return it to the heat. We want to achieve as dark of a caramelization as possible without burning it, so continue to check the color every few minutes. Then once that's ready, take it off the heat and then add in your lime zest, cilantro, lime juice mixture into the hot honey, and mix this well to infuse the flavors together. Give this a taste and add in more lime juice as desired. Then let this mixture cool before straining the cola syrup from the cilantro leaves into a mason jar and optionally place this into the fridge for 10 to 20 minutes to help cool the mixture more. This cola syrup will be good for about a week or so if kept in the fridge. Then, to make the cola, in a bowl or mixing glass, slowly combine 6 to 8 tablespoons of cola syrup to 1 cup or so of sparkling water, and use a chilled spoon to help dissolve the syrup without agitating the carbonation too much. Serve it in a glass filled with ice as desired, and with that, your Senku Cola is ready to drink. Originally, for anime, I was using it as a way to make a bunch of yummy food that I had seen in video games, but as the name suggests, I had also envisioned making delicious dishes from anime as well. And so I was planning on making this recipe last month, but since it is a drink recipe with fruit juice, I thought I would hold off on making it for this month of Juicy June. Specifically, this recipe comes from the anime Dr. Stone, where in it, a mysterious green flash suddenly petrifies all humans on Earth to stone for 3,718 years, until 16-year-old prodigy Senku Ishigami is suddenly revived to find himself in a world where all traces of human civilization have been eroded by time. In this stone world, Senku and his allies attempt to rebuild everything from scratch, and the anime and the manga it's based on is actually quite good at teaching the real science behind the process of making a ton of things from complete scratch through chemistry and engineering, including cola. In Dr. Stone, Senku makes a quite convincing dupe of the modern soda by mixing just these 4 ingredients together. The science behind this comes from the mixture of the oils from the lime and cilantro containing similar organic compounds, such as limonene from the limes, and alpha-terpinyl, gamma-terpenine, and linalool from the cilantro, which is why this mixture smells so much like cola. Then these are mixed with the honey, which provides a source of sweetness as well as the caramel color and flavor that the real recipe contains. The original recipe of Coca-Cola used to be made from the coca plant and cola nuts, which is where its name comes from, but nowadays the recipe is concocted in food labs using a mixture of different pre-made extracts, so this Dr. Stone recipe is not too dissimilar to how they actually make this soft drink now. Of course, this 4-ingredient recipe is not exactly like the real thing, but it is quite convincing, especially if you hadn't had a Coke in almost 4,000 years. There are a few other notable flavor profiles that are in Coke that are not included, such as cinnamon, other citrus, coriander, vanilla, and lavender, to name a few. So you can of course add these to this recipe to try to achieve an even better dupe. So in the spirit of the show, when trying to make this recipe for yourself, I highly recommend experimenting with adding different compounds and adjusting ratios to achieve a cola to your preferences. But regardless of if you decide to make your cola as close to the real thing as possible, or if you mix together your own cola concoction, this recipe is a fun way to learn a bit of science while making a delicious ice-cold drink for the summer. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. And Lanulu and Lina Lulu.
Linalawal.